Have you ever wondered how we would stop a massive rock headed straight for Earth? 65 million years ago, an asteroid caused the extinction of the dinosaurs, but now we finally have a way to potentially prevent that kind of disaster. NASA has a list of thousands of dangerous asteroids that could cross our path. For the first time in human history, we have a plan to literally punch back at a threat from space. This is NASA's DART mission. Our planet has always been vulnerable to cosmic impacts. Even today, if an asteroid just 1 kilometer wide hits Earth, it would release more energy than 1,000 nuclear bombs. Old technology could only track them, but it couldn't stop them. Now our scientists have found the solution: the Planetary Defense System, specifically the Kinetic Impactor Technique.
So, how does this kinetic impactor technique actually work? The basic principle is simple. You don't use bombs, but rather, you give the asteroid a slight nudge to change its trajectory. In space, where there's no air friction or strong gravity, even a tiny push can be enough to permanently alter an object's path. To prove this theory, NASA launched the DART mission. This $325 million spacecraft was our first planetary defense weapon. DART weighed just 579 kilograms, but its speed was incredible: 23,000 kilometers per hour. In the physics of space, speed is far more important than mass. DART's target was Dimorphos, a 170-meter-wide moonlet orbiting a larger asteroid. Dimorphos weighed thousands of times more than DART, but speed was the deciding factor.
After months of travel, the moment finally arrived on September 26, 2022. Millions of miles away, DART deliberately smashed into Dimorphos. This was the last image DART sent before its destruction. According to experts, this small impact was powerful enough to shift Dimorphos out of its old orbit into a new one. NASA calculated that the path would change by only 1%, but that 1% is enough to save Earth. But the big question remains: if a much larger 10-kilometer asteroid comes our way, will this technique still work? Is humanity safe from asteroid impacts forever? What are your thoughts? Do you think we've built the ultimate shield for Earth? Share your opinion in the comments section. If you enjoyed this space story, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more incredible content. See you in the next one.